Hey everyone, I'm making this little video tutorial in case you forget what we go over in class and show you how you're going to upload work for your final project drafts. So as you can see, they're going to be done in discussion. So here's workshop number 1, and this is going to be, you're going to upload your work by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, October 30th. So plan ahead. Now, when you're ready, you're going to hit reply. Everybody's going to reply to this general post regardless of what group you're in. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, here is my draft number 1. And then if you want to, you can add any questions or requests for specific feedback that you want. So if you want to say something like, hey, is my main character coming off as sympathetic, or do you just hate her? Or have I established the acute tension appropriately in my first couple of paragraphs? Whatever you want your readers to focus on. If you do want them to focus on anything, I personally think it's always good to ask for specific feedback. Okay, so here is my draft number 1. You are not going to attach here. I want you to highlight. I want you to go over here to the upload document icon. You're going to upload. And please note how I am naming these files. This is how you have to name your files. Your last name in all caps, underscore, and then whatever the draft number is. So we're going to do that. And then shabam, there it is. Whoops, there it is. Now, let's say that you are in my group, you're one of my group mates, and you have to reply to this because you're going to post your letter, which is due by 1:59 on November 11th. There it is right up there, the due date. So I'm going to say, here is my letter. Boom. That's it. That's all you're putting. Then same thing, you're going to highlight the word here, you're going to go over here, and you're going to upload the document that you've got. And again, please notice how I am naming it. It's going to be the writer's last name. So if you were replying to me, it would be Renard in all caps, underscore, letter number 1 or 2 or 3, whichever draft you're working on, underscore, and then your last name in all caps. Shabam. So that is how you're doing it. And we are going to talk about why we're doing this way in class, because I know you're probably saying to yourself, why is she being so nitpicky? What in the world? Well, we're going to talk about that in class, but remember that the bottom line, the short answer to that question is because I say so and because I have power. When you are submitting to agents and editors, you have to do it the way they say, whether you think it makes sense or not. So I want you to get into the practice of doing what you're told because you're told in exactly the way that you're told to do it. So this is a little tutorial that I will keep up on the on Canvas. I'll show you in class where it is, and you can refer back to it if it's late at night and you're like, oh my